Oh, we've got eye burgies. We don't want eye burgies, do we? No.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you all. There will be a lot of changes today. Are you just taking in the air? We're rearranging the whole shed, bonding Lola and Bubbles into the herd. It's just going to be a good day. I'm probably going to be outside all day. Just have a little break at lunchtime. We've got lots to do, haven't we, Mama? We've got lots to do. Anyway, I'm not going to talk for too long because I have a feeling this video is going to be super long. Bye. So I'm just about to set up all the guinea pig runs because I need to put them outside so they're out of the way. Cue a time lapse. So it's about 9:30 now. In fact it is 9:30. And I've put Pepper, George and Susie out. I need these guys out the way because we need to adapt their hutch. I've just put them outside. Pepper actually has a little fungal infection. I don't know if you saw that little bald patch on her head, but I am treating it, so don't panic if you see the bald patch because it is quite obvious. And then Wilbur is also out. The ramps are all done, so here is like the base. It's going to be, well, like that. We're using hinges to attach it, and then we're putting carpet like in here for the grip, like to cover it. So here's the carpet. I've started organising all of the fleece. So this stuff is for the herd. This is for the trio. And this will be for Ben and Gus when they're bonded back together, but obviously Gus is still with Tigger at the moment. But in a couple of weeks when they're back together, this will be for Ben and Gus because Tigger will be back in with the herd. So yeah, and I'm just gonna have like certain fleece for certain groups now. It's just easier that way, and all this fleece is cut to the right size of the hutches and stuff, and like of their cages, so this works quite well. In this box here we just have like a load of fleece scraps which I just use for little areas of cages. Got my toy box. A lot of my toys are still in the cages, but I need to get them out. And then this massive box here is full of all the beds I have. I didn't realise I had that many. is empty apart from the hutches obviously, but me and Mum are going to attempt to move them by ourselves. We may have to wait for my dad to get home because they're really heavy, but we're going to try and do it together. Hopefully it will work. I'm going to film it because it could be entertaining, so I'm sorry Mum in advance. But the herd are out together and they're getting on so well.
What's wrong here? Right.
Shall I take this side?
No, you take this side.
There's always a thing behind there.
Excuse me.
What is that? Oh, nice.
I can't put my hands back there until I know there's no spidderies.
They probably are spiders, Mum.
Mum!
You know I'm filming this!
I don't like spiders.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes.
Such a baby.
I don't do spiders.
Oh, where is it? Daddy?
Okay, I can do no legs.
Shall I get it?
2 legs.
It's on the brush.
That's a spider, that is.
It is a spider, yeah. It's gone now.
Look. No legs is fine, 2 legs is fine, 4 legs is fine. More than 4 legs, we've got a problem. That's it.
Should we get all that crap out from behind it?
Yeah.
Do you mean to do
put it this way? And then you can get back like, yeah. Yeah. Help yourself.
I'm so sorry, I'm really got. God, there's loads of them. It's like a family, Mum.
I'm not surprised. So this is what under your bed will look like if you don't ever clean your room.
If we don't do what?
Clean your room.
Okay.
Oh, there's one of them making a run for the front of the hutch.
That's the one I was talking about.
Yep, he's going for it. Here he comes. Oh my lord, there's a great big fat one on the floor. Yeah, indeed.
Okay, you're going to have to leave actually. I don't want you in my shed. I'm not going to kill you, but you have to leave.
Yeah.
He's in there.
Throw him at me.
Okay.
Is this safe to come back in?
I sweat most of them away, Mum.
There, you get to do it all again in a minute.
I know. That one's going to be worse, I reckon. Okay.
Right, so we just literally need to push them from
Yeah.
that end. Logically.
Oh, hello. There's one right there.
That was the one that ran round the side.
No, I'm trying to pinch you.
Mm.
Oh, he's got really flimsy legs and we're in there.
Ah!
No. You're doing what you left. Thank you. Thank
Do you want me to do the pushing?
No, you can help me.
So they're going to have, sorry, they're going to have all of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they are. This is going to be good.
Okay.
Gotcha.
God.
Okay, let's.
Ooh. I can.
You just have to move the tripod a little bit. It's not that hard.
I can do it. I can do it. It's in the doorway now, though. How do I know for what it's looking at?
I can see it's looking at me. That's fine.
Is it?
Hello.
Somehow.
It's fine. I've got it. I've got it. Don't worry. You just walk. The tunnels are still under there, but I can't get them out.
I've got into one foot.
I need to clean up the bottom hatch properly, don't I?
You need to what?
Clean up this bottom.
Come on here.
I like how you've just taken over for me, Mum.
Well, you were kind of just in observation on those.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. See, actually, I don't do any of the jobs for the guinea pigs. Mum does it all for me, don't you?
Yeah, you just go on camera
Yeah, yeah.
and pretend like you do it.
Yeah, I just pretend all the time that I'm the one who does it.
I'm the one that looks after them, really.
Yeah. Yeah. Some people are actually going to think that's true, you know.
You got a dusty head. Should you get rid
You've been somewhere very cobwebby, haven't you?
You've been somewhere you shouldn't have been. Should I get rid of it for you? There we go. I think you have been somewhere you shouldn't have been.
Right.
Hmm?
Let's put that one.
Oh.
Say that again.
No.
You can't say that in my video.
Well, don't do that bit then. Take 2.
Take 2. Oh goodness me, I fear for my life. Here you go, Stu. This is your moment of fame.
Hi everybody. Hannah's got me out here again, doing more stuff for the ever-growing number of guinea pigs. Today we're making ramps out of Laura's carpet.
Go then, pop her in.
There you go. Oh, Papa. Yes, look. I know, George, I know. There you go. Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah, exploring.
Oh, sorry. You nearly swept me out there.
You just do it with your fingers.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
My throat. Move, Gloria. You're right in the way of Hannah. Just have video. Move.
Should I shut the windows? Oh my god! And now she's officially having a maybe because you're sat in the tray.
Oh god.
There we go.
What about one more there?
Apart from
Good job.
yeah.
Hello. Hi.
So it's actually Sunday now. I didn't get much else filmed yesterday because, well, basically this camera died, my vlog camera, so I had to start using my big camera, and then I was just really dead because I've been outside from like 8:30 and I was very tired and kind of like died in the evening. But I'm all good now. So yeah, I thought I'd kind of update you guys on how the pigs were doing. So they've got on really well overnight. Wilbur's currently chewing the bars though, but I'm kind of expecting that for a couple of days because he's not been around other guinea pigs for quite a long time. And obviously he is in the split cage. But the herd are getting on so well. I haven't spot cleaned yet. Wilbur, stop chewing the bars because you're going to hurt yourself. Yeah, good boy. But I haven't spot cleaned yet, like I said, but I'm going to do that in a second. But they're getting on so well. I just want to show you the trio before I kind of give you a little tour of the shed. So the trio now have 3 hutches. So they've got 2 ramps and 3 floors. And I think they love it. I mean, the ramps are different to what they had before. So the ramps are made out of bent CNC grids. And then we've got carpet on them, but it's like the back of the carpet because it's slightly more grippy. I may consider like putting some like bits of wood or something on the ramps as well to like give them a bit more grip. But they seem to be working okay. So yeah, George is upstairs. He's right at the top. I don't think anyone is actually on the middle layer. Here's Susie Sheep. And where's Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig, I bet she's in here. Oh no, she's not in here. Where is Peppa Pig? Unless she's hiding at the top as well, I just didn't see her. Oh, I think she's in the, oh there she is, she was in the bendy bridge. Sorry, it's a bit dark at the top because obviously there's slightly less light, but the top's the only bit that's dark. The other 2 bits have plenty of light. And then over here, so we put a ramp in this hutch as well. So this will be for Ben and Gus when they're bonded back together, but obviously Ben's still inside at the moment and Gus is still with Tigger. I still haven't put up these photos again. Got all these photographs down here. I still haven't put those up. I'm probably gonna put them on this section of the wall here. I've only got my corkboard at the moment, so this wall does still need a lot of work. I'm gonna put my fairy lights up here as well, just to make it really cute, but I'm not gonna do that today, I don't think. Probably do that tomorrow, so you won't see it in this video, but we are doing that soon. And then over here we just have pretty much the same stuff that was there before. So yeah, then down here is a bit of a mess at the moment. I need to kind of figure out where to put all this stuff. And then on top of the hutches, got my carriers. That's just a little dehumidifier thing. They're spare ones. There's also another one here. Just got these hooks here. They're really cute. Then we've also got my like medical box, or guinea pig first aid box. That middle box there is full of like my cleaning supplies. Then we just have an old duvet and stuff, which is what I use in the winter to cover up the hutches. Then up here we have all my fleece stuff. So in that pink box over there we've got all my fleece beds. The middle one there is the herd's fleece. This box here is the trio's fleece, and this box here is the boys' fleece. Well, it will be for the boys when they're bonded back together, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing the process of the shed clean out. I just want to say a big thank you to my mum and Izzy and Claudia and Nettie, and to those, my dad obviously as well, oops, forgot that. Just to those who came and helped me out, because I really appreciate it. I don't think I would have been able to do this by myself. In fact, I know I wouldn't, especially moving those hutches, and I'm very excited to see what that footage was like, because mom screaming at spiders has like made my whole year. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!